Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to remove old conversations and clear your Grok AI chat history quickly and easily. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your browser and visit Grok AI website. Now you will see it will loading. Now you will see this is your history. If you want to delete a single chat, just click on the chat which you want to delete, then click on three dots. Here you will see delete. Click delete, it will delete it easily. Now, if you want to clear all chat history, you just click on see all, then click on actions, show all, and then go to settings, then go to data control, scroll down till last. You will see option like delete all conversations, delete all imagine post, delete account. So I would like to delete all conversation. Just simply click on delete. It will ask you are you sure, then again click on this. No. That's it. You will see your all chat history will be deleted successfully. If you use Grok AI on multiple devices, your deleted chats may synchronize automatically across your account. And that's it. This is how you can delete chat history in Grok AI easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorial and AI tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.